Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV, enjoying some lovely sunshiny weather. Would love for you to come and enjoy it with us. And on your way out, make sure you check out this beautiful 2012 Thor Chateau. This is the 28Z, one of their most popular floor plans because it's not too big, not too small. It's right in the middle, and it's got a big, spacious, open floor plan. Just going to talk a little bit about our powertrain, which a lot of you who own Class Cs or have looked at Class Cs know about them, but this is on your E450 chassis. Very heavy grade commercial duty chassis with your big block Triton V10, 305 horsepower. It's got over 400 pounds per foot of torque. This is a great riding machine with the ability to tow 5,000 pounds. Lots of cargo carrying capacity as well. So we're gonna walk around the outside and then we'll take a look at the inside together. On the outside, you've got your white gel coat. It's got a power awning that's gonna come out over your patio area so you can set up camp out here, do your cooking and everything. You've got your propane fill right here, small storage compartment. Front door, we'll come back to that. It does have an integrated entry step, which means it's easier to get in and out. Lower skirting, so no electric step. If your power is low, you don't have to worry about that. Outside power right here. A little more storage compartment right there. And then because of the bed configuration, this one, because it's got a north-south bed versus an east-west bed, you don't have that slide mechanism taking up all of that space. So you have this huge pass-through storage compartment with all of these little compartments scattered throughout. Built-in tabletop that you can pull out and set up for camp as well. And you've got accessibility from all three sides in that pass-through storage compartment. Rear roof ladder to be able to get up and check everything on the roof as far as your seals and maintenance goes. There's your 5,000 pound rated tow hitch as well. There's the other side of your pass-through storage compartment. On your driver's side, it's key to have all of your utilities in one simple place, so that way when you pull up your camp, you know exactly where you're supposed to park. You've got your city water connection, potable water fill, low point drain, fuel fill, shore power connection, the outside of your furnace, fridge and freezer service center as well. 6-gallon hot water heater, got your exterior auxiliary shower to be able to spray off your shoes when you're at the beach, or if you've got your pets, you need to clean them off. Generators tucked up underneath there. On this side, utilities, your dump stations all in one simple place. So very convenient. A lot of great things on the outside. Decals on this look brand new still. This is a 2012, so it's barely been used. Let's go take a look at the inside of this beautiful coach. Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV again. We are now inside this beautiful 2012 Thor Chateau. This is the 28Z. What a great floor plan. It's big, it's open, it's got your opposing couch and dinette in the living room. But before we get there, I just want to talk a little bit about the cab. So your Ford cab is pretty standard. It's very commercial as far as the cup holders, your cruise control, wheel tilt. It's got your Jensen stereo system with the Sirius satellite radio built in, CD player. It's already got a TV antenna set up on it so you can watch TV. In the main living room area, one of the great things about these newer coaches is it's all vinyl throughout, so it's very easy to clean. Just sweep it up and get it out the door. Big couch, which is a convertible into a bed. This is your jackknife sofa, very quick and easy to do. Booth dinette, which also turns into a bed. It's very deep, it's spacious, so it's easy to get in and out of. Lots of natural light. You've got big windows on both sides. Moving into the galley area, you've got double sink, which you don't get in a lot of your smaller RVs, so this one's just big enough where you get a little bit more galley space, a little bit more usable workspace as far as washing dishes. You got an oven, which you don't get in a lot of newer RVs, 3-burner gas stove top, convection microwave oven, and lots of storage throughout. Your control panel is all right here, very easy to turn on. Your tank heaters, extend and retract your slide, turn on your gas or electric water heater, generator, start and stop, thermostat control right there. TV for entertainment right there as well, so nice central midship entertainment. And then you've got your refrigerator conveniently placed right next to your stovetop. Nice big fridge and freezer. And then come on back here, let's take a look at the bathroom. So it's an all-in-one bathroom, not a split bathroom, which a lot of people like because it gives you a little bit more space inside. Nice big tall shower with a skylight for natural lighting in there. And then your bedroom, so this is where you get your pass-through compartment outside because you have a north-south bed, so it's still very easy to walk around. You've got places to set whatever you need as far as nightstands on both sides, wardrobes for his and her on each sides, and then you got storage up above. So there's a lot of great things about the inside of this, but it's a perfect size as far as being able to get in and out of any campground, but not being too small, just giving you enough space for your whole family. So again, this is our 2012 Thor Chateau 28Z. Definitely got to come in and check this one out because of the size, the price point, everything about it is just a really good fit. When you come into Johnson RV, make sure you ask for Ben.